Guys, so you see this Ipollo V1 Mini. So this machine, like every other couple of days, it produces $5 into my wallet. I'm stacking these little coins until then I will then trade it for something else, or maybe sell it, cash out, hit the ATM, whatever the case may be. But cryptocurrency mining at its finest. It's at home doing its thing. It's not that loud, and it's as simple as that, guys. I don't know what else to say. Over here we can see what the machine is doing. You know, sometimes it goes on a downturn and it barely flops over. But I think that's this T-Mobile 5G internet. I don't think it's the greatest. So therefore,